Hello and welcome back to the Land Rover, where we're having an unboxing video. One of those one you see many on the internet, but we're actually going to do something with these. We have seats. A bit of an exciting day really, installing the seats on the vehicle. Means she's getting them back together again. So these are Britpart seats. These are the deluxe version, as they call them, and there's 0 instructions of how to install them. This is the base. I think it just sits on the seat box. I'll probably secure it somehow. Don't know how. We'll work that bit out as we go along. But that's the base of them. And in this one, we have a back. These are the middle seats, so they're pretty skinny. There's 0 instructions of how they install, but I think it's pretty simple. The ones that came out had a pin with a split pin. These, I believe, from a very quick look around the internet, have a bolt. Yeah, there's a bolt just underneath the fabric in there. Apparently it's an M6. There's no Imperial version. It's an M6 bolt. And if we're brave, we'll stick I don't know, we'll see if we can stick a hole in there. And yeah, so there's just a bolt behind there. So in theory, M6 bolts, a few washers into there, and they're installed. So we'll give that a go and we'll see what happens. So nice and simple for this one, which doesn't happen very often in Land Rover or car restoration. Bit of mess around here. The M6 bolts just go straight in there. I got I got 25 mil. They're actually the right size. They do go in quite a way. Bit of a pain to screw in, but yeah, just put them in. I did use a spanner. They're not too tight, so the seat can move. We'll tighten it up. I've just got a metal washer one side and a nylon washer the other, just so it's a bit forgiving compared to what a metal washer would do. But yeah, it's nice and simple. Just tighten up the M6 bolts and she's in, which is super exciting that it's now actually looking like a vehicle. So after about 30 minutes of just tightening bolts up, the seats are in, and super happy with those. The seat bases are loose still. I'm going to secure those. I think in the past they had like a strap that held them down and you put it onto a popper or something that stuck out. So I'm going to look at those, research those. I'm going to put some stoppers on the back just to stop the seats from going too far back. But no, very happy with that. I'll go for a bit of a reverse out the shed shortly and see how they feel. And then in theory, we're going to tidy up the car a bit. Just going to finish doing the weather strips around the doors, and then we'll take her for a test drive on the road. We've got a few legal bits of paperwork to do. Got to get a third-party insurance and an off-road or an unregistered vehicle permit. Off-road permit as well would be good. So yeah, we're going to do those, but then hopefully we're going to take her on the drive from the road. We'll test out everything. So super excited for that one. But that's how to install the seats on a Series Land Rover. Super easy, essentially 6 bolts and that's it. So nice and quick video for once.